I don't like taking much of your time, so I like to go straight to the business of the day. This is a Sego material, and we are using it to create something very simple that everyone can lay their hands on and be able to do. This is a pleat free. All you need is just to fold an inch in, place on your head, and cross the hand the way I just displayed on the screen. And I believe this will help you for your next occasion if you are trying out Sego material as a DIY person. So this is the excess material being directed forward after crossing it at the back. Remember, we are going for 50-50, or I didn't mention that earlier, so take notes. 50-50, your material should be divided into that, which means equal part. Now grab the material, arrange it neatly like this, and bring it up on this, cross it like twice on your head and direct the excess. Pick any one of your choice first, because what to do to right you do to left. So pick any one of it. Now press it down gently like this with your hands and arrange it. Just arrange it the way it is being displayed. Now the excess you have at this side is going to be directed to the side or to the back, wherever the material ends. Grab a pin, or if it is longer or long enough, you just dip it in like this. But I'm going to be using office pin here to make sure that my material or my head gear is perfectly secured. So once it is being secured, we're going to the other side of the edge here, where we're going to repeat the same process we did to the other side. Just split it down, grab it down gently, and you take the excess to the back, go secure with a pin, and trust me, you are almost done with tying your head wrap. You are almost done, I can tell you that for free. Now this is on the way. I'm trying to get it secure with my pin, and once it is being secured, we're going to go to the next and very last stage of this head wrap, which is the front, where we are going to be doing the magic and where the beauty is finally going to pop up. So let's move there right now. Here is it. We're going to just bend that down right there, go to the other side, bend it down, and use our pin to grab those edges. Now you match the two together at the center with your pin as well, and trust me, if you are done with this but you don't use your hand to adjust, you might finally not arrive at that stunning one that you want to arrive at. So kindly sit back and use your hand to adjust. Mere looking at it, you know where to touch, you know where to press. So use your hand to adjust all adjustables. Make sure you address it and make sure it comes out so nice that you are so satisfied with. Here I am trying to adjust all adjustables, all the places that I supposed to adjust, and final look is coming out very beautiful. Guys, grab your material today and try this out. And if you have done, come back to this video and type I have done it. Guys, if you are going to try this, let me know in the comments. If it is easy for you as you are watching it, just let me know in the comment, and I'll see you guys on my next video. This is the back view and that's the front view. Then if you have watched this length, I believe you like what you do. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave your comment.